Hello, my brothers and sisters of the coin. Welcome to episode 32. This is Scottsdale Sales, and we are going to do an unboxing video of Monument Metals. Monument Metals is an online bullion dealer, and I have two packages ready to open. We're going to give it a little shaky test. Can you hear it? Pretty good packaging. We're going to speed through the boring part real quick. Looks like the inside was protected because they put a box in a box, which is fine. However, you just need a little muscle, which I don't have, to get it out. I do commend Monument Metals for including an invoice in the package with prices. Makes it easier for me to check off my list. Everything looks packed well. There's the coins. Plenty of bubble wrap and tape to secure the packages. I got excited because I saw the Scottsdale Mint bar, which is what I was waiting for. Check this out. It arrived in a capsule. Scottsdale Mint. This is the Archangel Michael 1 ounce silver bar. The front looks really cool with the lion head and the shiny background. On the other side, you got Michael chilling, flexing. His background is frosted. He's stabbing a snake at the bottom, and he's got a shield right in front of him. I really like this bar. There is a lot of detail, shiny proof areas, the frosted areas, and just Michael chilling, looking like he's the boss. Next up is the Royal Mint 3 Graces 1 ounce silver bar. On the other side, you have the 3 Graces. Looks like they're standing in front of a club with those light beams in the background. Those are the searchlights that they have in front of clubs. I think they're just waiting to get in. The other side, you have the Royal Mint with the crest, 1 ounce, 999 fine silver, and in the background, some sort of repeating design that you would see on a home renovation show. It's okay to look at, but I don't think I'll buy another one. Nothing fancy, but I ordered 5 Golden State Mint Buffalo Rounds, shipped in flips. Last on the list from Australia is the Perth Mint 1 ounce silver kangaroo bar. Has a swan in the center and some really nice circular designs in the background. On the other side, you have a frosted background and a bunch of kangaroos, maybe a herd of kangaroos trying to run away from lions. That's the first package from Monument Metals. If I had to choose which bar I like out of these two, I would choose the Scottsdale Mint because Michael looks like a boss. Let me know in the comments below what you would choose. Second package, shake test. That's not a good sound. It doesn't sound like coins, but you can still hear the jiggle. This package did not pass the sound test, unlike the first one. However, all we care about is that we receive the package and they come safe. Okay, opening up the last package, I see some tubes. I'll pull those out. Oh, tube number 1 and tube number 2. And also there's another package in there. Oh, look at that. I'll place these down there. Do these tubes look familiar to you? We'll do those last. Check this one out. This bar got me when I first saw it online. I searched everywhere. Not many online dealers had them. Well, if they did have them, they were a ridiculous premium on them. And then I saw it on Monument. It was for a decent amount, not high of a premium, so I had to snag it. I introduced to you the Golden State Mint 10 ounce Samurai bar. The front is proof and shiny. Even the font looks like it's in Japanese. The design around the border is not dramatic. It's very subtle and clean. Look at that finish. Don't forget the character, his outfit, his uniform. When you go to the side, a little bit of quality control, a little scuffed up on the edges. Would have been nice to be shiny on those as well. And the back does have a repeating design with a smoothed out proof border. I think it's okay. However, with all that real estate, it would have been cool if they could have wrote like, Way of the Warrior or, Miyamoto Musashi or something cool, Here's a final look. You can see his headdress, his mask, the intricacies of his uniform. Golden State Mint did a really good job on this samurai bar. They could have put something better on the backside, and quality control could be stepped up a little bit, but I'm okay with it. Last on the list are these two tubes. You guys must have recognized it by now. It's 2023 1 ounce Mexican silver Libertad coins. One is filled with 25 and it's sealed. And the other tube only has 15 rounds, not a full tube. As I pull the tape back on the half-filled tube, we'll start noticing that's why it was jiggling. They didn't put enough styrofoam inside it to stop the noise. That could be a little dangerous during the shipping process, but oh well. Let's take a look at these coins. These are my first ever Mexican silver Libertads. It's a lot bigger than American silver Eagles. I think these Libertads are 40 millimeters. It's got a lady in front. She's got wings. 1 ounce Plata Pura 2023 LEY 999. I don't know what OM is, but apparently she's flying. Mountains in the back. Oh, she's on a stand, and some flowers. Take a look at the edges, nice and clean. On the other side, it reads Estados Unidos Mexicanos. There's an eagle eating a snake on top of some berries, I guess. And I think these are crest symbols. I don't know what they're about, but they pop, and the background is frosted. Here's a better shot of everything. I like the way it shines, glitters, even though it's frosted on the sides, on the background. Same thing with the front, also frosted. While I was going through the stack, I did find these 3 with tarnish or milk spots. I really don't know what these are. I know milk spots are white. I have a few Canadians that have milk spots and they're white. These are brown, tarnish. I'm going to call these tarnish. Why does a 2023 coin that just got minted have tarnish so soon? If you know the answer, please comment below. Is there anything I can do? Do I keep these? Is this a good thing or is this a bad thing? Let me know below. One last look of the 3 1 ounce rounds. The Perth Mint, Scottsdale Mint, and the Royal Mint. My favorite is still going to be the Scottsdale Mint. To me, it just pops out more than the other 2. So why did I buy 1 full tube of silver Libertads and a half tube of silver Libertads? Let me clean up and I'll be right back. Okay, the reason why I ordered 40 was because I wanted to put, these come in cases of 25, and I wanted to do 2020. So we're gonna put them all in caps and do 20 in a tube. Then when I finally get them, I was like, oh wow, I kind of like the way it's sealed. So I'm gonna keep 25 sealed, and I'll just keep 15 so I can look at them whenever I want. This is my review of Monument Metals. I will be purchasing from them again. I'm not happy with the sound test. Help me out and like and subscribe. This is Cycling Sales. See you later.